Hello, my dear champs. Have a bright day. We are back to our math class. In the last class, we had begun our first chapter, Where to Look From. Do you all remember different views like side view, front view, top view, etc.? Did you all understand that topic? Yes, let it be. Children, do you all like stories? Today, I'll narrate a story for you. The name of the story is Tit for Tat. Once there was a girl named Amina. One day, Amina met a painter. She asked him, "Can you make my picture?" "Yes, sure. I charge rupees 200 for it," replied the painter. After a while, the painter showed her the picture and asked, "Amina, how do you like it?" Amina was confused when she saw the picture. She sadly said to the painter, "But this is only half." The painter replied, "The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror to get the complete picture." After saying this, the painter asked, "Now can I have my money?" Amina happily gave him a 100-rupee note. When he got the money, he told, "But this is only half the money." Amina, the clever girl, gave only 100 rupee. Instead of 200, she gave only 100 rupee. Then the painter was asking, "But this is only half the money." Amina smiled and said, "The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror next to the note to get the full money." Then she laughed loudly. By doing this, Amina gave the painter tit for tat. Did you understand the story, children? Did you like it? This painter is a cunning fellow. The painter had made many such pictures in which he drew only one half of the things. Draw the other half of these pictures and find out what these things are. Try doing it with a mirror. In order to complete these pictures, you have to take a piece of mirror. And remember that you have to keep the mirror next to each picture. Then you will get the mirror half. Now let's check. This is our first picture. Let's see how it looks like when we keep a mirror. Now look here, children. When we keep a mirror next to the picture, half of the picture, you will get the next half also. Then what is that picture shows? Yes, it is a butterfly. Now the next image. If we keep a mirror next to this image, you can see this image like this. So what is that? Yes, it is a lamb. So this is a similar half image or a mirror half image. Here you have the next one. Half of a face. When we keep a mirror, then we will get the full face. So this is also a mirror half image or a similar half image. Now the next one. Let's see how it will be seen when we keep a mirror. Yes, when we kept a mirror, we got a star. So this is also a mirror half image. Then we'll see the next one. Yes, it is a fish. So children, hope you all understood how to find the mirror half image, then how to complete the image also. Children, can you identify a mirror half image and image which is not a mirror half? Can we repeat the painter's trick while drawing pictures of the following? Look here, this is a caterpillar. When we keep a mirror, it is not a mirror half. Look here. Yes, that is not completing the image. So it is not a mirror half image. Here you can see a cup. Is it a mirror half image? If we keep a mirror, we will understand whether it is a mirror half or not. No, it is not a mirror half image. It is not giving the full of that image. Now, this flag. Next one is a flag. Is it a mirror half image? No, this is also not a mirror half image. If you ask the painter to draw things which cannot be divided into two similar mirror halves, then he cannot play the trick. Now, draw 3 more such things which do not have similar mirror halves. Can you do it by yourself, children? You can draw picture of any image which do not have similar mirror halves. Now, did you understand what is a mirror half image? An image which is like a reflection in a mirror is called a mirror image. What is it? An image which is like a reflection in a mirror is a mirror image. Children, have you ever looked in a mirror? Can you see when you look in a mirror? When you look in a mirror, you can see yourself there. Same, isn't it? Likewise, the mirror image is also an image which is like a reflection in a mirror. Now look here. Here, the left and right side of this lovely dog are mirror images of each other. Isn't it? Look, the both sides are equal. They are mirror images. When we put a dotted line like this, these both are mirror images. Children, now in the first image, you can see I have put a red dotted line. Now, is it an mirror image? Is both sides are equal? No, now it is not a mirror image. But now it is a mirror image, isn't it? Now, children, from these images, can you put a tick for mirror image and a cross mark for non-mirror image? Now look here. Is this a mirror image? Is both sides are equal? No, it is not a mirror image. Next one. Now the next one. Look at the image and look at the dotted lines. Is it a mirror image? No, it is not a mirror image. Both sides are not equal. Now look here. Is it a mirror image? Yes, it is a mirror image. Just look, both sides of that dotted lines are same. So it is a mirror image. Now the next image. Look here. Both sides of dotted lines are the same. So it is a mirror image. Now look at this triangle. Is it a mirror image? Yes, it is a mirror image. What about this image? Yes, it is a mirror image. Now look here. It is not a mirror image, isn't it? Now the last one. Is it a mirror image? Yes, both sides are same. So it is a mirror image. Now here you have some textual exercises. Mirror halves. Look at the pictures given below. Does the dotted line divide each picture into similar mirror halves? Just check whether both the sides of dotted lines are equal or same. If they are same, you can put a tick because it is a similar mirror half. If it is not equal, you can just put a cross. Now you have another exercise. Using a dotted line, can you divide the following pictures into two similar halves? If we put a line like this in the middle of this comb, you will get both sides equal. So it will be a mirror half. Now let's move on to the next one. Now this image is also a mirror half. Here you can draw like this and you can get a mirror half. And this is your next mirror half image. Now let's move on to our next activity. Can you guess these letters from their halves? Children, if you want to check it, you can just keep a mirror and check the letter, or else you can draw this side of the letter as same as the other side. Like this you can draw. Now which is this letter? Yes, it is A. Now let's check which is this letter by drawing the other half of it same as given. Now which is this letter? Yes, it is C. Now did you understand how to guess and draw the mirror half of the given letter? Now let's guess the words by looking at their halves. It will be more interesting. When you draw the other half of these letters, you will get this word. It is how. What is it? It is how. Now let's see the next word by drawing the other half of the given letters. Next word is wax. Now is it clear how to give the mirror half of the words? Now can you write your own words like this, which comes as mirror half? Here you have some more. You have to find the word by drawing the mirror half of letters. Okay, now that's it, children. Hope you all understood today's class. Be safe, be good. Thank you.